from marketwizards.com and eminywizard.com. About 18 minutes after 9 o'clock, 28th of August, 2019, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. Risky business. Let's take a quick peek. What has happened overnight? I had suggested there were a couple of charts that had caught my eye. This was one, obviously. This is our weekly chart. We thought back here, these 82s would be resistance. Felt if you get to the 65, 64s on any swing back, that's the gap zone. And obviously below that opened the door, we said, to the 58s and then the 55 test. Here's your 55 right here. Here is your 62 right there. And this 55 is very important because it's the middle for the week. So we said, make sure if we get below that 62s and it's coming south side, make sure you were paid by 58s, and then turn your head around and understand this is a middle test here, and make sure you're paid by this 55. We said, let's use 52 support for the bounce. And you can see already when we look at an umbrella trade, as I was suggesting, this is your 10-minute chart, and I said I like this chart, and it was backed up by the 60 and the 30. So I already know the level that I want to make sure I don't get caught, because these move hard and fast, but when they get to their level that the boys like, and a profit-taking level, they're going to bounce hard and fast. That's the characteristic of an umbrella trade. And we've suggested at the gap, get paid if you played the long side. Let's say you woke up late and you missed this, you're eating breakfast or taking a walk or whatever, then you take the contra and you look for this as a buy zone and you say, okay, I'm going to make it this way. Now you can do both, but usually pre-market, our goal is to make a few points, get your warm up. And you don't have to take both, but if you do and your day's made already, you can go play. Here's our 30. And these are all umbrella trades when they're all under the magenta line and then the blue and the red and the green. So that's an umbrella trade, clearly. And I'd say it earlier, notice the 62. Okay, here's our 60 yesterday. Perfect. And then we get the bounce here, but we're under. See how we're under this blue line and the red and the green? This is still an umbrella trade till we get it back up above the blue line. So right now, one of the most important things we can do, obviously, is to monitor yesterday's low at 60. This is a third time through trade. I said could be shaping up. Here's one, here's two, here's three. And we've marginally taken out that 55. We know that this underbelly here needs retesting, so the question is when. And today will be tricky, obviously, because we're already at and near the lows. So we're going to be a little conservative at the open, protect profits if you've got them. If you played early already, you probably have your day done already if you took the long for the gap or if you were playing the umbrella as it was playing out. I'm going to put on a 5. It'll be a little bit less accurate than that 10, but we'll see the rotations are here faster. And we can see the importance of this 60 area right here. This is the pipe, paid for sure. We had the late gap 67, the normal close was 66. So anybody's taking a return trip on this, just do the math. Even if you do it down and dirty, 54s and 66. But it tells you that 60 is going to be the middle in this swing. And paid for sure if you've taken a re-entry because it's getting late and close to the open. Monthlies. We have rejected this box, the 95 highs in there. We've overnight traded back into this box. So this is the primary support box right now. that we're trying to, the shorts are trying to come into, and the longs need to defend. Okay, so we're going to watch this 65 today. It's going to, obviously the 66, 67 area. Let's equate that to the bottom of the monthly pipe, and we'll take it step by step as the market gives us new clues. That's all we can do. Angels and demons. I've got the demon at 76. Look at this bar. This is the one I referred to overnight. And a bounce, double top in here, about 74. And then the market comes back. We get the target 55s. And then we get the bounce back to the middle. You can see just how important this line is. And now we're retesting again, obviously the angel, which is 58.5. So if you are coming back with one more shot, make sure you are paid in that 60 to 58 area. Got to be paid for sure. And we're going to leave chips on the table today, and we're going to get stopped out too probably, and we're also going to make a few chips. That's just the way the business is. This is a two-day chart, multi-day chart, and we can see that just how important this is. And last night, I had said this is the range that needs to be resolved. Okay, we're going to use this 92 back in here, big idea. We're going to use the 58 down here, big idea. In the middle, I said, is 75. So that's still my thinking that this is being resolved. And that's a swing from the highs to the lows, and then back up 60 back, a little bit more than 60 back. And obviously now this is a pullback. So if you want, we will do today, we'll do a measure this way as well, from the 10 to the 2900. And that you should be able to do in your head, because that's like a 90-point swing. So 45 points brings us right back where we think we should be, right? And let's take a look at the RTH. Now, this was yesterday's 15-minute beauty. And overnight, we are obviously back in here, having tested these lows. So the range, if you want to put that on for just for perspective, take a look at that overnight range, and that's really here. So still consolidating the plunge. And we're going to put this back to a 5 now. And obviously, we'll play it one step at a time today. Good for the shorts to stay under, obviously, the overnight high, because that's our rain line. And this is an umbrella trade under 72s. All right, I hope that helps you get organized and take a minute to relax. And let's go get them. Any questions, just obviously put them in the room. And first trade should be traders using that 52 stop for the half gap, for the gap trade. That's already been done. So let's see where we open, and then we'll take it from there. My guess is 2 a day.